It's a really good idea to create an assistant that will have different actions and various instructions that will help you with, let's say, Instagram profile and social media. So the way I'd approach it is just go to assistants and create a new assistant. Let's give our assistant a name, maybe Dana this time, and she'll be our Instagram assistant. Of course, you can have a more general purpose assistant for marketing, for copywriting, and stuff like that. But let's leave it like this and let's give her a main instruction. So, this is interesting and just an example, but look at this one. Every time I give you, for example, an image, you will create a description for this image for Instagram. And every time I give you a title for an article, you will come up with 5 alternative versions of this title. So this way, you can create different instructions for the actions that you usually take with the content. And now Dana is here, so we can easily use her. It's as easy as selecting Dana from here or just using her keyboard shortcut. And now you remember that we had this image that can be drag and dropped onto the canvas of Alice, and then I can ask for an IG description or Instagram, for example. You have to type here something, but she will know from the main instruction that she has to create Instagram description with at most 3 hashtags. So this is working properly. And if I, for example, give her a modern architecture inspirations, she will recognize that this is probably the title of the article, and from the main instructions, she will provide me 5 different titles for this one. So this technique alone will save you hours on creating content and the different types of content, because imagine that you can have various posts and she can also restructure the posts for you. She can repurpose them for threads and Instagram and stuff like that. And everything can be included in the instruction. There's also many other ways to accomplish that in Alice, also using snippets. And I'll show you that in one of the future inspirations. And also, if you use remote actions, you'll be also able to directly from Alice publish the posts for social media. So make sure you'll check more inspirations in our academy. That's it for now. I see you in the next one.